Welcome to another episode of Drunk Apron. Today we are doing a classic whiskey sour. No, we're not. We're adding our spin on it. What are we doing? We're taking lemon and thyme and putting that in a classic whiskey sour. And yes, we are using egg whites for this one. So, ingredients listed. Angostura Bitters. We've got some whiskey bourbon. We've got some thyme, eggs, simple syrup we made ahead of time, lemon, glasses, and trusty old shaker. I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Who drew the pictures? Some idiot. Worst artist ever. Let's take this nice juicy plump lemon and we're gonna take some lemon peel from it. So grab a peeler and just obviously peel the frickin'. Don't do that. Don't do that. Dull ass peeler. Find a sharp peeler first off, that would help. There we go, nice. Perfect, delicious. Smell that zesty lemon oil. Take that out, put that aside. Take a lemon, cut that bad boy in half. Boom. Next step, make this drink. So first things first, we're gonna take our eggs because if you break the yolk in it, you're not going to want to use it, so let's do the first ingredients of the egg whites. That way if you break it in there, you can remove it and start all over. Okay, take two. Take our egg. Gonna go for just the egg whites. Boom, done. Egg whites in. Wash your hand. We're gonna take an ounce of simple syrup. Delicious. We're gonna take the juice of half of a lemon. There. Perfect. We're gonna take two of those little lemon zests that we've already done. Drop those in there. We're gonna take a sprig of thyme. Drop that in there as well. And we'll grab a little bit more of that. There we go. Bourbon, whiskey bourbon. We're gonna do 4 ounces since I'm not drinking alone this time. Delicious. Yeah, sometimes I drink alone. Okay, next step, ice. Put that in there. And we are literally gonna shake the crap out of this because you want the egg yolks to be frothy and delicious. Done. Let's make this drink. Alright, all shaken. Take some nice ice in the glass. If you have spheres, use them. If not, use some big old cubes like we've got. And oh, look at that. See how frothy it is? That's what the egg whites do to it. So it gives it more of a mouthfeel, if that makes any sense to you guys out there. It's gonna put like a silky texture on your tongue when you're drinking this. Okay, so we're gonna take our lemon, we're gonna pinch it, let all those residual oils come out. Just rim the glass, take your other one, rim the other glass. So the first thing you're gonna taste is a little lemon oil. We're gonna take nice sprigs of thyme, since we did use thyme for our garnish. Take your nice little lemon peel. And bitters. Angostura Bitters, crucial. We're gonna do about 3 dashes in each drink. There you go. Boom. There we go. Little lemon, thyme, whiskey sour. Remember when I said I wasn't drinking alone? I lied. sad reality of my life. Friends are hard to come upon. This is why I tend to drink and cook a lot. If you feel bad for me, feel sorry, click that thumbs up. I need some help, I need some friends. Subscribe to this channel. Share and support. Show some love to your boy. Lemon Thyme Classic Whiskey Sour. Delicious with those egg whites. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Drunk Apron.